welcome you again to today's show on your favorite business content we provide you regularly, Vanguard Business Life. Although we've not been around for much this year so far, I think we should start on a very, very incisive note for those in the manufacturing production of goods and services. Uh, Usually we call them manufacturers. I don't, when we say manufacturers on this Vanguard Business Life, we're not referring to the big manufacturers like Cadbury, like the Unilevers or this one and that. No, we're looking at small scale producers of any goods. Probably you can use those producing Zobo as part of our the universe coverage of manufacturers here, and it's usually classified in the business classifications. We usually talk about SMEs. No, I think we scale back to reality in Nigeria to talk about nano NMs, the nanos and the micros, NMs. Okay, that's why I mentioned the Zobo producer is a manufacturer. We add value, bringing raw materials together to create a product as a manufacturer. And all the way up there to the biggest manufacturers you can think about. The environment as we speak in Nigeria is tense, still much under pressure. And I think one of the biggest pressures still coming from the foreign exchange market, where exchange rate is still under pressure. And of course, if the input to whatever you're producing, like I just mentioned, Zobo has some, you'll be surprised, uh, you know, imported contents in terms of the additives they put into the making of the liquid. Okay, so in a way, they're affected by the development in the foreign exchange market. So the manufacturers across the various segments are saying that the profit margins are eroded already, and then two things may be happening: it's either they're diluting their qualities, quantities to make profit, or they're increasing their prices. That is what's going on now. And look at your business. How are you going to, uh, accommodate the rising costs of your production? So usually people would think about raising prices, but then depending on the product you are into, there is consumer resistance there, because we also have the issue of purchasing power being eroded by the macroeconomic circumstances of the Nigerian economy today. So if you raise your prices, will your customers be able to continue with you? If they are likely to continue with you, obviously that's not an alternative course of action to take. Uh, you keep reviewing your cost of production, cost of delivery of your products, and see where you could still make one or two notch down in savings in costs, so as to maintain your profit margin and remain in business. We'll draw the curtain here, and we'll continue the discussion as ideas and information seep in on the opportunities and how to sustain your business in the tough environment. Have a great day.